Oh, that's 2. Okay. Okay, for this problem we're going to look at 3x squared minus 18x minus 6 equals 0. We're also going to look at the generic case of a x squared plus bx plus c equals 0. And of course, in this case, a equals 3, b equals minus 18, c equals minus 6. To begin this problem, we're going to divide both sides by 3. By 3, divide by 3, divide by 3. Leaves us with x squared minus 6x minus 2 equals 0. Likewise, on this side, we'll divide both sides by a. If you don't want to follow this side, don't worry about it. It will make more sense in a minute. X squared plus b over a, x plus c over a equals 0. Now we'll move this to the other side. Do plus 2 on both sides. Here we do minus c over a on both sides. And we get, over here we get x squared minus 6x equals 2. Now, what we're going to do right here is something a little tricky. We're going to take 6 and just follow this step for a moment. Gives us 3 squared, or 9. Do the same thing over here. I'm going to take this right here and do b, well, 1/2 b over a squared equals b squared over 4a squared. Now, the purpose of this will become clear in our next step or two. Okay, so we're going to take this we had x squared minus 6x equals 2. And we are going to add plus 9. Remember the figure we found out a minute ago? 9? Add that to both sides. So now we have x squared minus 6x plus 9 equals 11. Or in other words, here's the trick, x minus 3 squared, we added the 9 just so we could do this, equals 11. Likewise, over here, we've now gone from having x squared plus b over a, x, and we're going to add something on both sides. That's going to add b squared over 2a, so that's 4a squared, equals, we had b squared over 4a minus, well, c over a, add an a up here, unit a squared, add a 4 here, 4 right there. So we now have, if we simplify it, if If I simplify this term, I get x minus b over 2a squared equals b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared. Back over here, the step we need to make is x, we take the square root of both sides, x minus 3 equals plus minus square root of 11. Or, simply add 3 to both sides, x equals 3 plus minus square root of 11. Solve. Method of completing the square. Likewise, come back over here, take square root of both sides, we get x plus b over 2a equals square root b squared, this is a plus minus right here, b squared minus 4ac. Take the square root of this, that's just literal 2a. Put it together now, I have x equals negative b, put the whole thing over 2a, plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac. We have the quadratic formula. These are the same method. One just skips to the end. The other one works you through it a bit at a time.